Welcome. In this quick and updated guide, you'll learn how to report a post on X step by step. If you ever come across something that breaks X's rules or makes you uncomfortable, it's important to know how to handle it properly. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into your account and that the app is updated so you're seeing the latest version. Next, scroll through your timeline or visit a profile to find the post you want to report. This can be a regular post, a reply, or even a quote post. Once you found it, look at the top right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots. That's your options icon. Tap on those 3 dots. A menu will appear with different choices for interacting with the post. From that list, tap on Report Post. This is where you'll begin the process of letting X know what's wrong with the content. Now you'll be asked to choose a reason for your report. The app will show several categories, such as spam, hate speech, harassment, or misleading information. Select the reason that best fits the problem, then tap Next to continue. In the next step, X might ask for more details to make sure your report matches the situation accurately. Take a moment to choose the best match, then tap Submit. This sends your report to X's moderation team for review. Once you've submitted it, you'll see a confirmation screen. Tap Done, and that's it. You've successfully reported a post. You can always review your reports later in your account settings under Safety and Reporting if you want to track their status. Reporting helps keep the X community safer and more respectful for everyone. So anytime you notice something that crosses the line, follow these steps to address it quickly. Thanks for watching.